What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial will guide you through the process of verifying the integrity of game files on Steam. Launch the Steam application on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to your library, where all your installed games are listed. Scroll through your list of games to find one that is experiencing issues. Right-click on the selected game. From the context menu, select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab to access options related to your game files. Within the Local Files section, find a button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click this button to initiate the verification process. Steam will start scanning all the installed files for the selected game. If any files are found to be missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically replace or repair them. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.